1964 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box step side pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 250 cubic inch inline 6 underneath the hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Casting number on the engine is actually 377127. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to check those out in a minute. First, let's take a look at the chrome, the grille, headlight surrounds, and as you can see, a modern headlight has been installed in this truck. Marker lights up in the hood. Definitely a popular year Chevy here at Unique Specialty and Classics. A couple other things. This will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The black kind of stinger you see on the front here, that is vinyl. May be removed if for some reason you don't like that on there. It's a flat black vinyl, and it kind of highlights something on the tailgate, so we'll show you that here in a bit. Riding on rally style wheels, steel wheels, painted black with the center caps. And again, you'll be able to see the underside interior engine bay bed, all in the still pictures. Paint shows well on this. Does not appear to be that old of a paint job on this particular truck. Black vinyl, bench seat, painted interior to match the exterior aftermarket JVC stereo that is working and sounds good. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay here towards the end of the video. Also want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. Now you can see it as talking about with the black vinyl on the tailgate, highlighting the Chevrolet script. Chrome in the rear bumper, good. Dual exhaust, wood bed. It also has this lockable storage compartment. Be nice for when you go to your local shows, roll-ins, maybe you're going to a hot rod weekend somewhere to display it. Be nice for luggage, and it is lockable. I do have that in the still pictures also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through those still pictures. As we look at the driver's side, and you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Rubber flooring. You'll be able to see the pictures that are the rubber flooring underneath the floor mats in the still pictures also. Vinyl seats, free of rips, tears, holes. You can see the seat belts are intact in the front for driver and passenger. There's a horn underneath the dash that does work. Right here is what that button is for. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. It's again 4-speed manual, 250 inline 6. Nice sounding truck. Aftermarket temp gauge right here. That was a cold start, so I won't expect that to be up. Let's go ahead. I did have the radio power up there a second ago. Did have the radio working earlier. May have a loose connection there. Have to check it out in the driving video. I'm sure Jason tried it. And I'll try it again here in a bit when we pop the hood and check out the engine mix. Like I said, I did have that working earlier and it sounded good. And of course, there's your 4-speed. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me both hands to get this hood open. I'll try to get that hood open, and I'll double check that stereo too. So hang on a bit, I'll be back. Alright, underside of the hood. Painted to match the exterior, it looks good. And here's that engine bay. So aluminum radiator. Like a newer car. Once again, 250 cubic inch inline 6. Battery disconnect for if you have it in storage or in between drives. like the heater hoses are still connected. It's all hooked up. All right. Now, like I said, we're going to double check that radio. I did have it working. Let's do that real quick. I'm going to show you something. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Turn the key back on there. You can see the radio powered up. It has something to do with it running.
From 5 to 7:30 at the Civic Center Plaza. Attendees can bring blankets and lawn chairs.
So you can see the radio does work. It may have a little bit
and beverages
of a short or something to do with the connection when it started up and running.
We're at Southern Minnesota News.
But sounds good, and you can see that it is working. They need just a little TLC. I want to make you aware of that. And like I said, maybe Jason has it working in the driving video. So 1964 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, short box, step side. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Call us 507-386-1726. See if that's extendable out to 10 years. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1964 Chevrolet C10 in a brilliant yellow color. Vinyl bench seat in this truck. There's a 4-speed on the floor. First gear is low, so you really don't need it. I take off at second right there. And now we're in third. Fourth is a good highway gear. Our battery gauge is reading just about half, as is the oil pressure. Fuel gauge is reading 1/4 of a tank. And under the dash we have an aftermarket temperature gauge reading 190. There's a JVC CD player in the dash. I was able to get that to power up, but sound did not come out of it. Our turn signal indicators are working. Our windshield wipers also work in this truck, as does the blower motor. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays straight in the lane. This truck has a nice ride. Good highway ride, not too firm and not too soft. A little squeak in the clutch pedal there. Not too hard to make that go away. Does lean a little in the corners, as they would, being a stock suspension truck. Clutch feels good, gears feel good. Acceleration is as you would expect from a straight 6. It's an easy to drive truck. You don't see very many of these. And one with this nice of paint job. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.